What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are back inside the Maschine, and I want to show you guys a thing or two that I wish I had known when I first started producing Maschine about the metronome, right? So you see, a lot of people think, you just turn on the metronome and it's all good, right? Yes, it does work like that, but if you want to improve your timing, I'm going to show you guys something that's going to help you improve your timing inside the Maschine. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn the bell notification so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about here. Maschine has a secret metronome window, right? And to access that, you want to do Shift and then hit the grid. That's going to bring up the window. So you can turn on the metronome here by just simply hitting the metronome button, and you can access it, right? Now, another thing you can do is control the level of the metronome. So if it's too loud, you can turn it down. If it's too low, you can turn it up, right? Okay, so the cool thing that I really want to talk about is the time signature here. So a lot of times, we make beats and it's in 4/4 and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But say, for example, if you want to make a beat and you're using eighth notes, well, the time signature comes in handy because it adds that and factor in there. And what do I mean by and factor? This is what I mean. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So say, for example, if you're making a beat. So I have my counting right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, so now I can quantize that, but before I do, I can go ahead and hit my grid, and then so I'm gonna go over to sound, and then I'm gonna go ahead and choose eighth right there. So I'm gonna quantize that, and so now it's perfectly in eighth notes. So I'm gonna turn off my metronome. So now when I go back and listen to it, you can hear it's perfectly in time. So now if I play it against the metronome here, let me go back to the menu. Now you have that versus if I would have just did it like this here. So you can see how it's better in time when I have the eighth notes selected here. And you can change this as well. So you could have done like 16 notes here. So that definitely comes in handy when you are recording something and you want it to be perfectly in time, playing to the time signature of the song. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about here is going to be the auto on, and the auto on allows you to have the metronome turn on automatically when you are recording. If this is off, as soon as you start recording, the metronome is going to lose itself. All right, so if you have this on, it's going to remain on during the duration of your recording. So say, for example, you're recording. All right, and that's that. The next thing I want to talk about real quick is going to be the count in, and that is pretty much self-explanatory. How many bars do you want it to count in before you start recording? You have 1, 2, and 4, and then the quantize mode. Do you want it to quantize when it's recording or play and recording? So you can go ahead and select those settings, but that is pretty much the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status, and we will see you on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. We out.